Oh, hi. I've just finished reading this great book called Chicken, Pig, Cow, and it's written by Ruth Ohe. The story is about a little chicken, a pig, and a cow that lived in a popsicle stick barn built by a young girl. The girl also has a very funny dog that drools on the chicken, the pig, and the cow. One day, they decide to get up on each other's backs and to climb out of the popsicle stick barn. They want to go exploring. They don't see the drooly dog at first because he's sleeping on the couch. But later, he discovers them and they end up making a new friend. What a fun book to read. I really like the drooling dog. Do you have a pet that's a good friend?
I have 8 pets, pet fishes.
My cat is 18 years old and her name is Pippa.
I have pet snails and their names are Petty and Sammy and Fuddy.
A pet hamster and his name is Chocolate.
I have a dog and her name is Kaya, and sometimes it's funny. I get a ball and I throw it and she growls at me and she gets her paw and throws it at my face.
Remember, every day you've got the need. Every day you've got to read.